In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Smartsheet access. Whether you're managing a team project or simply organizing your personal tasks, knowing how to update access rights in Smartsheet is a crucial skill. Sometimes you'll find it necessary to remove someone's access due to a role change, project completion, or a shift in responsibilities. Whatever the reason, this process is straightforward and can be accomplished quickly, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's start by opening the Smartsheet item from which you'd like to remove access. This might be a specific sheet, a report, or even a dashboard. Log into your Smartsheet account and find the item in question. Make sure you're selecting the correct one, as removing access will change collaboration on that particular item. Confirm it's the sheet you intended by checking the title and contents, ensuring no accidental loss of access to critical resources happens. Once you've opened the right item, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the Share button, which acts as the gateway to all sharing settings for your sheet or dashboard. This button is your key to managing collaborators, allowing you to add, modify, or, in our case today, remove access for those who no longer need it. Click on this Share button to bring up the Sharing Settings window, where you can see a full list of everyone who currently has access. In the Sharing Settings, you'll find a neat list of all your collaborators. This list is where you can precisely identify the person whose access needs to be revoked. Take your time to scroll through and locate the collaborator you wish to remove. Keep in mind to double-check the list, as some projects might have multiple people with similar names, especially if you're working on a large team. Once you've located the right collaborator, spot the little X next to their name. This is what you'll click to remove them from the sharing list. By doing so, you'll ensure they no longer have access to view or edit this item. It's a simple click, but it's important to verify you're clicking the right X to avoid unexpected access issues for the wrong user. After clicking the X, Smartsheet will instantly update the access settings, removing the user you selected from having any interaction with your sheet or report. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully managed to remove access, streamlining your project collaboration to keep it just the way you need it. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to reach out.